transfer the balance of the cash ledger from one GSTIN to another GSTIN with the same PAN. According to the GST rules, earlier it was not possible to transfer the cash ledger balance from one GSTIN to another GSTIN, even if they belong to the same PAN. The cash ledger balance is linked to the GSTIN and cannot be transferred to any other GSTIN, whether it is under the same PAN or not. However, same was done. If you have excess cash balance in one GSTIN and want to use it for another GSTIN under the same PAN, you can do so by creating a tax liability in the other GSTIN, and then using the available cash balance to clear the liability. To do this, you need to create an invoice in the GST portal for the other GSTIN and enter the details of the transaction. Then, you can use the cash balance available in the first GSTIN to pay off the tax liability in the second GSTIN. But now taxpayers can transfer the amount in cash ledger from one GSTIN to another GSTIN registered on the same PAN through Form GST PMB09. The GST site now allows taxpayers to transfer the amount available in the cash ledger from one GSTIN to another GSTIN registered on the same PAN by submitting Form GST PMB09. Under Rule 8714 of the CGST GST Rules, 2017. Steps. Step 1. Log into www.gst.gov.in greater than Dashboard Services Ledger's electronic cash ledger. Step 2. Select the transferee GSTIN from drop-down. Step 3. Select from and amount. Step 4. See preview of updated balance on screen. Step 5. Choose between AF and DSC filing from the common filing page and verify accordingly. Step 6. Message of successful filing is displayed. It is important to note that this process should only be done after consulting with a GST practitioner or a tax expert to ensure that it is done correctly and in compliance with GST rules. Thank you for watching.